답은 how 플러스 형용사, adjective, 형용사,
형용사,
부사,
부사,
adverb. 오케이? Number one, how much? 얼마예요?
얼마요?
How much is it? 이건 얼마예요?
이게 얼마요?
How much is that? 저거 얼마예요?
저게 얼마요?
Good job. 얼마나 걸려요?
얼마나 걸려요?
That means how, how long does it take? It is talking about time. Okay? 얼마나
얼마나
걸려요?
걸려요?
걸려요. Okay? Different meaning of like a time. How soon?
How soon?
얼마나 빨리?
얼마나 빨리?
얼마나 빨리? How soon does it end? 얼마나 빨리 그것이 끝납니까? Something like that. Okay, you don't have to follow me. How soon?
How soon?
얼마나 빨리?
얼마나 빨리?
That's important. Okay, number three. 얼마나
얼마나
깁니까?
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 It's about length. How long is like 얼마나 깁니까?
얼마나 깁니까?
Length. Okay.
Okay.
Like a long or a short or something like that. 얼마나 멀어요?
얼마나 멀어요?
얼마나 가까워요?
얼마나 가까워요?
How far or how close is about distance, okay?
Okay.
How 얼마나 멀어요?
얼마나
얼마나 멀어요?
멀어요?
It's like how far 얼마나 가까워요?
얼마나 가까워요?
It's how near, okay? How close, okay? Last one. 얼마나 무거워요?
얼마나 무거워요?
얼마나 가벼워요?
얼마나 가벼워요?
It's about how much does it weigh? It's
Weight.
about weight. Okay? How heavy? 얼마나 무거워요?
얼마나 무거워요?
How light? 얼마나 가벼워요?
얼마나 가벼워요?
가벼워요.
가벼워요?
가벼워요.
가벼워요?
가벼워요.
가벼워요?
구짝 얼마나
얼마나
가벼워요.
가벼워요?
Getting better. Okay, one more time. 가벼워요.
가벼워요?
가벼워요.
가벼워요?
Good job. Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye.